Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
The Presto FlipSide Belgian waffle maker. To bake extra thick Belgian-style waffles using a restaurant-style rotating design, preheat until the red light goes out. Pour a cup of batter into the waffle grid and set the digital timer for 4 minutes. Close the cover and rotate 180 degrees to spread the batter evenly across the grids. Make delicious waffles from packaged mixes or from scratch using the included recipes for classic, whole grain, pecan, and more. When the baking time is complete, open the cover and you're ready to enjoy a delicious waffle. Non-stick grids assure the waffle removes easily. The big 7-inch waffle divides into 4 easy-to-cut sections. The brushed stainless steel exterior provides both beauty and durability, and the non-stick grids simply wipe clean. Storage is easy too. Just rotate to the vertical position and flip the storage latch to lock upright for space-saving convenience. Fabulous waffles and a fabulous storage solution. The FlipSide Belgian waffle maker from Presto.
Introducing the Breville Smart Waffle for crispy golden waffles without all the mess. The unique Waffle IQ technology sets the correct cooking time when the batter goes in, so you get perfectly cooked waffles every time. Let's see it in action. Making waffles crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside has never been easier. And now you can make a lot more with a lot less mess. The Smart Waffle, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville. Visit foodthinkers.com to find great recipes using the Smart Waffle.
Hi, I'm Kara with Hamilton Beach. Don't you just love Belgian waffles? Light and fluffy, dripping with butter and syrup, or topped with strawberries and whipped cream? Everyone enjoys eating homemade waffles, but no one likes cleaning up the mess left behind. We've got the perfect solution. The new Hamilton Beach mess-free Belgian waffle maker. It has 3 times the mess protection of ordinary waffle makers. First, the batter cup is designed to hold exactly the amount you need for a perfectly shaped waffle every time. Second, the deep grid design keeps the batter inside the nonstick grid. And third, the overflow channel keeps any excess batter from leaking onto the counter. The adjustable temperature dial allows you to control the browning so your waffle cooks exactly the way you want it. The power and ready lights let you know when your waffle is done. Now that's good thinking.